everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever wished you could run your entire social media business by just sending text message, you're going to love this one. Today, I'm reviewing AICora, the world's first AI-powered social media manager that's worked directly inside WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly AICora? It's a powerful AI tool that creates, schedule, and posts your social media content automatically, all from a simple chat. You literally just send a message like post this photo with fun captions, and it's instantly write the captions, add the hashtags, design the post, and publish it to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, and more. It's basically like having $5,000 a month social media expert in your pocket, but without a huge price tag. Here how it's work. It's super simple. You create your AI manager, just give the name and add your business info. Then you text it anytime, send a photo or idea, and builds the post instantly. Finally, you just sit back and watch its post scheduled and even grow your followers automatically. Even if you can send WhatsApp messages, you can run full social media business with AICora. Now, let's go over some of AICora best features. It's create, posts, videos, and captions automatically. It schedules weeks or even months of content in advance. It's fun trending the topic to help you go viral. And if you grab the agency upgrade, you can rebrand it and sell it as your own AI social media platform. So, who is AICora best for? It's perfect for affiliate marketers, social media managers, and beginners who want to make money online. Whether you're growing personal brand, promoting affiliate links, or managing clients, AICora handle the hard work so you can focus on results. And the best part, there is no learning curves, just text, past, and profits. So, is AICora worth it? Honestly, yes, it's absolutely worth it. It's replaced tools like Canva and ChatGPT, saving your hour every week and helping you make money even while you sleep. If you have been looking for low efforts way to automatically social media and start your own AI beside business, AICora is easily one of the best smart tools. Grab your copy, link in description. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, grab AICora, link in description. Hit that button, subscribe for more AI tool review. See you the next one.